Hi there everyone, my name is Dave West. I hope we're all doing well. So welcome back to this very quick OnePlus 9 Pro video test recap video. Now this is showcasing some features which weren't included in my original video test, because I wanted to keep those separate and show you some different options which are available. Now, one eagle-eyed commenter on the OnePlus 9 Pro video test did tell me that there is 60 frames per second at 1080p available now on the front-facing camera when recording video. Now, I don't know whether this shows how much I care about 60 frames per second video or not, but the option is available. So to do so, you just switch around to the front-facing camera, and the frame rate is actually in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. I don't know if I missed it because the front-facing camera is actually there. It doesn't make it particularly obvious that it's got 60 frames per second. Neither did OnePlus really make a big song or dance about it when the OnePlus 9 Pro was released. But this is how it looks. This is 1080p at 60 frames per second. Now, one thing I did notice, you probably can't see it in this, is that you do get a bit of jello effect when moving quickly from side to side. Now, I'm not sure everyone's going to be doing that when recording video, but it's something I noticed when I tested it out before making this video. But it's nice to have this feature, especially if you like vlogging. You get a more lifelike effect when using 60 frames per second. But you let me know what you think of the video using the front-facing camera at 1080p 60. Now, in a moment, I'm just going to switch to a little montage of other options which are available with the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, that would be 4K at 120 frames per second, the slow motion features, and also the little known but sometimes useful macro video hack. Now, it's not an official feature. All you're literally doing is just taking a burst video using the macro function, but it is something that you can do, and something that people might find quite useful if they wanted to get super close-up video of smaller subjects.